well, so it's across the front, around the head, across the front, around the head, and you can go either way. So I'm going across the front of my body and then behind the back, as opposed to behind the back then across the front. So when this move is put together, it would be like the equivalent of the way I'm doing it now, like doing it like it's overhand opposite instead of underhand. Underhand would be going out first instead of in. Let's start with this, just this. So this is the right hand on top, or your left hand on top, my right hand. You can mirror me. Okay. And I'm just going back and forth, back and forth. Okay, now switch the hands. Put the other hand on top. Okay, now we're going to switch. Switch, out, 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 switch. Okay, so here's one. Now, two would be keep the left one in front and the right one go around your head. You're switching both of them now, which is even harder. And then three, okay, and then three is, this is my left going behind my head and my right down low. Then this is the right, then the left, then the right, then the left, then the right, then the left. So these are all just fun, little, silly fillers, time wasters, great ways to start with fire when your poi is like, maybe you didn't spin out enough. That's never happened to me. Now think of the motion as bigger. So wide, across, wide, across, wide, across. So slow it down. Boom, 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 boom. Yes. Do you feel the difference? Exaggerate it.